Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW such as X1 or X3 with the 4-cylinder gasoline engine, guys, known as N20 or N26 engine, guys, and you're, let's say, working on your timing chain replacement, this is a very weak spot. Stay with us, we'll show you guys something that can save you $5,000 to $10,000, so make sure to stay with us until the end. But if you're working on timing chain or removing and replacing crankshaft pulley bolt, guys, and you're going to need a special tool that's called a flywheel holder tool. That's what we'll be reviewing today, guys. We'll show you how to use it, where we got it from, all that you can find in the description of the video below. That same engine that you find on X1 and X3, guys, we worked in the past. Okay, we did complete timing chain rebuilds on them as well. And the same engine is used on that 5 Series. But at the time we were a little bit busy, so that's why we decided to make the video now, guys. Same engine used on that 5 Series, X1, X3 and other BMWs as well. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 to 300 videos. We take them completely apart, and why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, this is the tool right here, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, so you can find out where you can get it from. This is it, guys. Now, you want to get the one with the 2-bolt design. This is the 2-bolt design. If you get a 1-bolt design, I heard they're not reliable. I cannot confirm myself, but I decided to get this one because I read pretty good reviews for that one. Company was selling a 1-bolt design in the past, from what I understand. Now it's 2-bolt design and it's great. So this is the engine, guys. This is timing chain guide, broke, failed. You can see it's broken on the inside right there. And as a result, guys, timing chain guide is in the oil pan right there. Timing chain tensioner failed, so we're putting a new chain, guys. We were lucky enough that the engine didn't. It jumped timing, but only 3 teeth. As a result, guys, okay, we didn't hurt anything, so we got super lucky this time. Now, let me show you how we use that too. We're going to get underneath now, guys. You need to bring your engine to top dead center. This is known as TDC point. How you do that, if you don't know, video is on the channel that explains everything from start to finish, how to bring your engine to top dead center TDC point, guys. So I definitely recommend to check it out. Okay, so now we're getting, guys, close to the moment of the truth. So let me just position myself here so I can show you what we'll be doing, guys. Okay, now, okay, perfect. This right here, this is the TDC pin. Make sure that it's a TDC point, pin is all the way in. Do not rely on the pin only to actually go ahead, guys, and remove your crankshaft bolt, because you will break your engine block and you might end up buying a new engine block, guys. So that's expensive, or repair yours, which is very expensive too as well. This is the transmission housing right here on the bottom. Pull that cover out. Okay, guys, once you pull that cover, you will be able to get the tool. Okay, and that tool, okay, goes like that. Check it out now. Okay, once it's a TDC point, it slides on the flywheel. Slides on the flywheel, guys. Okay, and then you get it all the way. Once it's on the flywheel like that, it goes in the... Okay, I couldn't get it in. Give me a second. Okay, now it's on the flywheel, guys. It is on the flywheel, and all you have to do is get the 2 bolts tight. Okay, when you get it tight, it's not going to fall off. I just don't have the wrench and 2 hands because I'm holding. Okay, what I'm doing right now, I'm holding the camera and the tools at the same time, guys. Okay, but you get the idea. Okay, tool is gonna stay there. Okay, and it's not gonna fall out. And you can go ahead, okay, and take. Okay, you can go ahead and take your crankshaft pulley bolt loose after that, guys. So you can see, okay, not very complicated. I'm trying to see if I can get it loose or get it tight like that so I can show you how it stays, but I don't think I'll be able to with 2 hands, using only 1 hand. So you get the idea, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.